It's a beautiful Tuesday morning in the Woods neighborhood off of Atlantic Boulevard in Jacksonville, Florida. Why are we doing a short video on a Tuesday? Because yesterday was a Monday. And yesterday was a Monday for the books. Seemed like everything in the world wanted to go wrong yesterday. Couldn't get our injector to pull soap. Couldn't get anything done fast enough. It was a Monday. So no need to film on a day like that, but here it is. It's a beautiful morning. Look at that sky. Fabulous. Steven's down there. He's still applying soap at the moment, I think. Are you on soap? You on soap? Okay, he's rinsing now. Spencer's about to come around with his bucket and treat a couple areas that are really nasty. When you call Ultrasoft pressure washing, you get a professional, uniformed, properly insured, educated team of cleaners that will get you results like nobody else. Look how soft that spray is, very gentle. Running 8 gallons a minute, so it's high volume, ultra low pressure. You can actually spray your hand with the gun when we're cleaning your house. Steven, spray your hand. So you can see it's really, really soft. We don't need any high pressure to do the job. It's professional grade cleaners. Knowledge and experience is how we get things clean. We don't need pressure. Very gentle rinse. Everything comes out beautiful and bright white. This is still need rinsed, but I figure we show what it looks like when a Ultrasoft guy is washing a brick house early on a beautiful Tuesday morning. Temperature's nice. We've got a cool breeze. We know summer's coming. It's going to get bad, but as far as temperature goes, but the cleaning is always good with Ultrasoft. For all your cleaning needs in Jacksonville, Florida, Ultrasoft pressure washing, 904-304-0810, worldwideweb.ultrasoftpressurewashing.com. Have a great day.